If you want to make job applications faster on LinkedIn, uploading your resume is one of the easiest things you can do. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to upload your resume in LinkedIn step by step, so you can save time and keep your application details ready whenever you apply for jobs. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software and platform guides. All right, let's jump in. First, open LinkedIn and go to your homepage. At the top of the page, you'll see the Jobs icon. Click on Jobs to open the job search area. This is where LinkedIn keeps most of the tools related to job applications, preferences, and saved application settings. Once you're in the Jobs section, look for Preferences. Click on Preferences to open your job application settings. This area is important because it lets you manage the information LinkedIn uses when you apply for jobs. Now, under My Qualifications, you'll see an option called Resume and Application Data. Click on Resume and Application Data. This is the section where LinkedIn stores resumes you've uploaded before and lets you add a new one. Next, click Upload Resume. A file picker will open, and this is where you choose the resume file from your computer. Make sure your resume is ready in a supported format, usually PDF or DocX, and that the file is the correct version you want employers to see. After that, select your resume file and upload it. LinkedIn will process the file and add it to your application data. Once the upload finishes, your resume is now saved and ready to use when applying for jobs on LinkedIn. If you want to double-check everything, you can go back into the Resume and Application Data section later and confirm that your resume appears there. That way, you'll know it's ready for your next application. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded your resume in LinkedIn. Now you can apply faster, keep your job search organized, and avoid re-uploading your resume every single time. If this video was helpful, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.